To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you. The sleek socket enhances your home decor while hiding ugly and unsafe plugs and cords, all while allowing full use of covered electrical outlets. The patented, ultra-thin wall-hugging cover creates an uncluttered, wireless look. No tools required. The sleek socket flat plug conveniently attaches over a standard-size duplex outlet cover. Simply attach to the top receptacle of a duplex outlet like an ordinary plug. Less clutter, less obstacles, less hazards. The sleek socket is up to 90% thinner than traditional plugs and cords and even the average baseboard. Now you can move furniture flush against the wall. The wall-hugging design blends with walls, you'll forget it's there. Includes a cord management kit of adhesive cord clips to neatly secure the cord against the wall. This space-saving 3-foot, 3-outlet version is ideal for small spots like kitchens and bathrooms. For more information or to buy, please click the link below in the description. Thank you.